What is up, guys? Welcome to the channel and Auto Addiction. Today we're going to be doing some projects updates. So this video should drop this weekend, the weekend of Friday the 13th in November 2020. So what else can go wrong? So as you can see behind me, we got the f250 out of hibernation, and then we got the van over there chilling. It's all cleaned up tonight. So it's late night at the shop. Came up here. It's been a stressful couple of months, so figured I'd come up here. Had to fix something on the van. It was puking transmission fluid all over the place. So one of the training cooler lines came out of the bracket, rubbed on the exhaust, and rest history. So pulled in the driveway, and the thing was pouring training fluid all over the ground. It was smoking all over the place. So it's been sitting up here at the shop for about a week, and been driving one of the shop trucks home. And so we got it all fixed tonight, me and my buddy Matt. So what we did was we actually cut the lines out, ran rubber lines in there, routed them up over, so that way they don't come in contact with the exhaust, and I don't have to worry about that again on the van. So you guys have been checking that thing out. I'm gonna spin around and show you guys. The van's all cleaned up. So for a 1996, still original paint on it, and so it used to be a Mark III conversion van, if you guys have been following it on the channel. And I stripped off all those graphics, did all these graphics myself. Looks pretty decent, especially from 10 feet away. but yeah, everybody loves the van, so I was glad to fix it and get it back on the road, get it cleaned up. Probably there's a couple of shows going on this weekend. I'm gonna try to hit up at least one on Sunday, maybe down in Palm Bay, Florida. There's a Ford show this weekend, so might head down there. It's mainly Mustangs, but they're also you can have Ford vehicles enter as well. So we'll take the van down there and look around and see what we find. So, and other news, got the f250 out of storage. Like I said, the battery is dead. So one thing that sucks on your OBS, I don't know if you guys run into this, but if you use keyless entry, your battery dies. A lot of times the door lock cylinders will be seized up. So I may have to make a couple trips back and forth across the street, and took some WD-40, put it in a lock cylinder, ran the key in and out of much time, and I eventually got this side over here to open up, so that way I could jump start it off and get it over here. And man, it was trash, man. There was stuff all over it from the carport. There was actually rust all down the side because the carport over at our detail department leaks. So this whole side was covered in rust. And but I was able to buff it out real quick, get it off the paint, so I don't ruin that new paint job. It's only probably a year and a half old now. So we do have wheels coming for the truck, so I can get that thing back on the road hopefully within the next month. I gotta get the exhaust on it, and I got headers for it. So a lot of stuff going on in the truck, and can't wait to get back on it, get it back on the channel, and start driving it again, man. This kind of sucks. It's been down since March now, I think. That's when I took the hostiles off there, and took the exhaust off. You guys saw my one video, the 5 things that were wrong with the truck. The exhaust I put on from Banks was it was already discolored, looked pretty gross already, so I was kind of bummed out about that. So I sent it off to a guy that does ceramic coating, heat ceramic coating on like firearms, and then he ceramic coated it. I showed him off in the Cutlass video, so if you want, I'll put a link in below. If you want to go check out the Cutlass update video, you can check out the headers in there. I got them on there maybe about halfway through when I did an update on the f250. So yeah, she's looking good again, and I gotta get the interior back together. So I got the thing, if you guys also saw, my door panel was coming apart, so I got the door panel fixed. I ordered the part from OBS Solutions to fix where the switches mount for your windows, how that always breaks. And I got a new head unit coming for it, so we'll do an install on that. And trying to think what else I got. Got all kinds of stuff. Bam, I got amps back here. I think I got speakers back here. This is my door panel. And if you guys are in the area, you need some parts for f250. So I bought a whole full lift and suspension components off a newer Super Duty, so I could do a solid axle swap on this. But I mean, I got the buckets, dude. I got the springs. I got the arms. I mean, I got everything. So I was going to swap this over to Super Duty axles. I may still eventually do that, but I want to get it back on the road first. And then I hooked up with a wheel company. We worked out a partnership, so I got wheels coming for it for the 8 on 6.5 lug, not on the 8 on 170 that the new Super Duty axles are. So I'm gonna run those wheels for a while, get it back on the road, and then we may do a solid axle swap. But in the meantime, if you guys are looking to lift your truck, we can work out a deal, and I can sell this stuff so I don't have to store it forever. So let me know. Hit me up on Instagram, put a comment below, whatever. I'm in Florida, east of Orlando, south of Daytona, and that's about it, man. So just wanted to give you guys an update. Oh, and my rock lights should still work. Let's check those out. Bam. At least something still works on the OBS. So yeah, I just wanted to get this thing cleaned up today, man, because it was looking pathetic. So I'm gonna hit up one of the detailers and get this thing detailed up. It needs to get buffed once I get the wheels on it. But yeah, and I appreciate all the support on this truck, man. You guys have been really hitting it up on Instagram and also on my videos and commenting and subscribing to the channel. So we're getting close to hit 2,500 subscribers, on our way to 3,000. So I'm pretty amped about that. And yeah, so yeah, we'll get back on the OBS build. I just want to do an update, let you guys know that I haven't forgot about it, and pulled it out of hibernation. And over the next month, we'll be doing videos on it. So I'm gonna try to get the headers and stuff put on before the wheels come, so that way we could actually drive it once the wheels get here. Because right now, it's got no exhaust tailpipe, and it sounds horrible. So, and driving across the road in these Chevy wheels on it, 4 lug nuts, super sketchy, not gonna lie. And the backs, so these backs didn't even fit. We actually had to let my my snap-on guy gave us a tool so we could grind out the center of the wheel, so I could get them to slide over it, just so I can get it off the lift. So that sucked. I mean, I'm gonna have to chase all these lugs. They're already getting nasty rusts on them. So good times, man. Projects. So that's about all I got for this video. Like I said, I just wanted to do a quick update and let you guys know where we're at with it. And I appreciate everybody's support. Please subscribe to the channel, hit that thumbs up button. See you guys on the next video. And again, thank you. Thank you for supporting me. This is what I like to do. This is my stress relief from work, family. I come up here, said, man, I don't go out, I don't drink. This is what I do. I work on the cars, so helps just kind of ease my mind. Come up here, turn the radio on, and I'm sure you guys can relate. So it's good, something positive to put your energy into. So that's what I like about anything with cars, man. It's just kind of positive energy. You can get your stress out, and you know, the car community is awesome, truck community is awesome. So we'll see you guys on the next video. See you guys on when we get back on these projects, man. You guys have a good weekend and survive the rest of 2020.